YouTube, what's going on? It's your weekend gardener here. Out here doing a little small update on my banana tree, my African golden banana tree. And just giving a little update. It took a big hit this winter. I left it out, actually, it was too cold, and I think I left it out too long. I was unaware of the temperature at the time, and it took a big hit. Everything, leaves got real crispy, so these leaves are gone. What I've been doing is keeping it in my garage over a grow light and try to water it as much as I can. Also, I gave it banana water, fish emulsion, chicken poop, bokashi, just anything to spark it up. And so far what has happened is I had this leaf right here in the center. So that lets me know that this is still alive, of course. I'm just going to continue feeding it water and supplements for the rest of the winter. Hopefully we won't have too much longer to go. Today is what, the February 6th. So I'm assuming that I'll be able to bring this out maybe 55 degrees consistently. I will bring this back out. When will I replant it in the ground? I may wait till it get about 5-6 feet. I may just keep it in this pot and just keep babying it until it gets back up to size and gets a little healthy. I am happy with the green stem in the middle though. Very happy about that. Not so happy about the crispy leaves. I am going to, well, might as well do it now. I'm going to prune these off because they look ugly. That's still wet, which is, I don't know. I'm just still gonna prune them back. Still has water content in them. Maybe I won't prune them back. They're gone though. They're definitely gone. But I think I'm gonna keep the rest. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna water this real heavy. Today is about 52 outside today. Long sleeves. It's not bad out here, but tonight is going to drop down to the 30s. So I'm not going to keep this out. I'm just going to water it real heavy, let it kind of dry out, then put it back in the garage. I'm going to keep you updated. Take care.